2638 HERMANSAU Saginaw. We're just wrapping up here. We're gonna cut that line out. We ended up coming through the wall. We're water piped and ready for a shower valve there. There's no drain, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but lavatory sink's ready. That's the second floor. Going down to the first floor. Lavatory sink's plumbed. Same thing here. We're ready for a shower valve. Toilet. The risers, the mains, feeding. Second floor. Toilet. I'm not getting a video of the crawl space. Just kind of a nightmare down there. Kitchen sink's ready to go. I wasn't sure what we're doing here. It was none of the photos really specified laundry tub or if it's going to be a laundry box standpipe situation. Water heater is installed. Ran the vent out, adapted to the existing. That's all in, ready to roll. Hose bibs, when we go to do the option, we can give you guys a hose bib there, out the kitchen wall, and then also on this laundry wall we can stick one as well, if need be, whatever the desire is.